Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Amrita University's, Amrita Entrance Exam for Engineering AEEE 2025. So currently slot booking is open and I'm going to talk about the dates as well as the total booking process, how you can do that. So let's first start with AEEE slot booking dates 2025. So currently the application is going on one for Amrita phase 1 slot booking, right? So commencement of Amrita slot booking for phase 1 have started from 17th January 2025. So if you have applied for this date, you can do your slot booking up to January 25th 2025. So almost 9 days were given for a slot booking. So 4 more days are basically left for slot booking, and only after slot booking you will be able to download your admit card. So you can basically download your admit card immediately after the slot booking, and the phase 1 exam date is going to be February 1, February 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So those are the 3 days which are provided for 2025 phase 1 exams, right? Now talking about the phase 2. So phase 2 dates are not yet out. So exam dates will be notified soon. So accordingly, the slot booking date, start date as well as the admit card download date will be notified later. So how exactly you have to do slot booking is basically you will have to visit official AEEE 2025 portal, which is aeee.amrita.edu. So once you go there, you have to log in using your registered email ID, and the OTP will be sent on your registered mobile number. So you will have to enter that OTP and password as well, and then you will be able to see the dashboard which is there. So you will have to select your preferred exam date and time from the available options which are there. Once you have selected it, you can review your selection and then confirm your booking, and then it will check the system and it will allocate you the particular date. So this is how exactly the dashboard will look. It will look, give under home, it will be my dashboard. So reference code will be available as well as the application number of the student will be available, right? And payment status, it is going to show completed, right? So that is how. Also you can check your online application what you submitted on the left side, and there is also option to post your queries in case you have any issues. So click here to submit your phase 1 willingness, so which is actually your place to book your slot for 2025 phase 1. So AEEE slots are allotted on the first come first serve basis. So it is very important that you should immediately book it if you have already completed your application earlier. And in case a candidate fails to book AEEE slot, then authority will allot the test slot available as per the availability. Then you will not have any choice for that. Also, for any reason, if in case exam conducting authorities are changing the exam dates or exam centers due to some problems, the same will be informed to candidates through email, so that will be notified. And Amrita University slot booking 20, once done, it will not be changed under any circumstance by students. So you cannot raise a request to change the slot. So that's all, a short update on how to book a slot for phase 1. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on Amrita Entrance Exam 2025.